When you add 1 to 25, the ones digit changes because one more is added. The digit in the ones place is one more than before. The number of tens does not change. Show one less. 1 less than 25 is 24. When you take away 1 from 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
Select your answer.
Does the ones digit change or the tens digit change?
One.
The ones, right? The tens stayed the same. They still had 2 groups of 10, but the ones changed.
The ones digit changes because 1 is taken away. The digit in the ones place is 1 less than before. The number of tens does not change. Show 10 more.
Now we're showing 10 more.
10 more than 25 is 35.
When you add 10 to 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
Next one. Tens. Right? Tens changes. Look at the tens place here. Look at the ones stayed the same. The ones are the same. We added a group to the tens. Let's try it.
Drag ones or tens to see which digits change.
Okay, so here we have how many? 25. So we're going to add 1 to make 26. The ones place changed. Okay, if we add another tens, which one changes? Tens or ones? That didn't. There you go. Tens. The tens place changed. Okay?
The tens digit changes because 1 more 10 is added. The digit in the tens place is 1 more than before. The number of ones does not change. Show 10 less. 10 less than 25 is 15. When you take 10 away from 25, does the ones or the tens digit change?
Which one?
The tens digit changes because 110 is taken away. The digit in the tens place is 1 less than before. The number of ones does not change.
You see that?
Now you know how to show 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less.
All right, let's look at our paper now, and we're going to listen to what they want us to do.
How can you use place value blocks to find the number that comes after 12? What about the number that comes before 12? Show your work. Write the numbers.
Okay, so we have to find the number that comes after 12. So what I would like you to do is draw one cube tower. You don't have to draw the lines. If you draw it like this, that represents that there's 10. So you don't have to draw all the lines. It's hard to make 10 blocks sometimes. That means there's 10 there. So we're going to draw that. And we have to make 12, so how many ones are we going to draw then? How many ones? How many cubes, single cubes are we going to draw to make 12? 2, right? So we have 12 here. Now we have to think about the number after 12. So we have to draw one more cube. And what number is that? 13. So go ahead and write that. 1 more than 12 is 13. The number after 12 is 13. Then you're going to draw a cube tower with 1 less than 12. The number before 12 is what?
11.
So we have 1 cube tower, 10, 11. Oh, it can't be 12, it's got to be 1 less, right? So if you have 12 and you go 1 less, you have 11. One more than 12, one less than 12. Thumbs up. Okay, if you're still working, get that drawn on your paper. When you're done, I'll know you're ready by turning one page. Are you ready? Here you see the video again, so you know you're on the right page. We know that by now. Okay, come down here. Complete each sentence. Use place value blocks if needed. Okay, 34. What's one more than 34? 35. Trace that 35. One more than 34 is 35. That's the number that comes next. You can look here at the number chart too. One less than 34 is 33, the number that comes before 34. Now look here at 34. 10 more is what? 44. EJ, can you wait till we're done with this? There's an emergency. How about 10 less than 34? 24. You took the number in the tens place, one less than the 34. So when you add more and take one away for the ones place, you look at the ones number changing. When you do 10 more or 10 less, the tens digit changes. Okay, let's look at number 2. One more than 14 is what, everybody? 15. Is that everybody? 15. One more. The next number after 14 is 15. The ones digit changes. What's one less than 14? 13. That ones digit changes. Now we're going to do 10 more than 14. So the ones digit stays the same, but the tens digit changes. What's 10 more than 14? 20. You gotta keep the ones the same though. You gotta keep the ones the same. This is 24. Very good. So the tens changes, but the ones digit stays the same. That's 10 more. What's 10 less? Nina? 4, right? Because if you take 10 less, the number that's before 1 here in the tens place is 0. You don't need to write 0. It's 4. If you're at 14 on my number chart, you go 10 less, you go up to 4. Until you understand, show me, how can you find 10 more than a number? How can we find 10 more than a number? So here, if I give you this number 24, how can I find 10 more?
34.
Okay, and how did I know that? What changed? The tens digit changed, right? So if you have 10 more, see how the tens digit goes up 1, but the 1 stays the same. See how the tens went up 1, but the 1 stayed the same. Got that? See a couple friends looking. Thumbs up. Excellent. Okay, quickly, easily. All right, we're gonna flip our paper. Just flip. So you see this page.
How did it get so long?
Press it. Okay, what number is this? Who can raise their hand and tell me what number this is? Eastland. 71. What's one more than 71, Jimena? 72, the ones place goes up, the ones digit. What's one less than 71? Aiden. One less, so the ones place has to go. 70, great job. One less than 71 is 70. Now 10 more, the tens digit has to change. What's 10 more than 71 is, what do you think, Jack? 10 more. You got by tens, what comes next? We gotta change this digit, move it up one. 80. But what, the ones place has to stay the same, so it's gotta be a 1. So 10 more than 71 is 81. 10 less than 71 is what then? 10 less. So the tens place has to go back 1 number. So Ben, 10 less than 71 is what? What do you think? What's 1 less than 7? 8. 1 less. 6. So we change this to a 6, but keep the ones place the same. And then what's 10 less than 71 then? What number is this? 61. Excellent. Awesome job. Okay, let's go to number 4. EJ, get this written in and I'll help you once we catch up, okay? Okay, number 4. Everyone, what number is this? 50. Okay. I'm going to go around and see if you're paying attention and I will help you if you need a little help. Charlotte, what is 1 more than 50? 51. 1 more than 50 is 51. The ones digit goes up 1. What is 1 less than 50? What do you think, Madeline? 1 less than 50. 1 less than 50, we need to change both.
49.
You're right, we have to change both the tens place and the ones place because you can't, there's no number before 0. You have to go and take a number from there. So 49. Very good. Okay, what is 10 more than 50, Georgia?
10 more than 50.
So the 5 in the tens place is going to change up 1. So what is it going to be? 10 more than 50 is, if you look at 50 on our number line, if you go 10 more, 60. Okay, 60. 10 more is 60. What is 10 less than 50, Isla? We're at 50 and we got 10 less. So we were here at 50 and we have 10 less. 40. The tens digit changes to a 4. That's 1 less. 40. Thumbs up. Awesome. Okay, number 5. Everyone, what number is this? 19. So 1 more than 19 is what, Eastland? 1 more. What comes after 19? 20. So that's 1 more. 1 more is 20. What is 1 less, Mena? If you're at 19, 1 less would be 18. 1 less is 18. What's 10 more than 19? Ethan, what do you think? 10 more than 19, so the tens place has to go up 1. 29. Ooh, excellent. 29. What's 10 less than 19? Nina. 9. Excellent. Because we take away the tens place. If we take 1 from that 1 there, we have 0, so it's 9. Okay, thumbs up. All right, what number everybody is by number 6? 49. 49. What is 1 more than 49? 49. You gotta go one more. What number is it? 50. Good. One more than 49 is 50. What is one less than 49, Aiden? 48. Excellent job. Okay, now we're gonna look to think about what's 10 more than 49. Charlotte, what do you think is 10 more than 49? The one stays the same, but the tens digit moves up. 10 more than 49 is 59. Excellent. And what's 10 less than 49? Jax, what do you think? 10 less than 49. So the 4 goes down one. Well, that's one less, right? We gotta look at the tens place. The 1 stays the same, but the 4 changes to a 3. So how many do we have? 39. 39. 10 less is 39. Okay, let's go to number 7. Everyone, what number is this? 85. Ben, what's 1 more than 85? If we add 1 to 85, what do we have, Ben? 80 what? 85. What number comes after 85 when you're counting? 86. So that's 1 more than 85 is 86. What's 1 less than 85? Isla, what's 1 less than 85? The ones place goes down 1. 84. Excellent. Georgia, what's 10 more than 85? So the tens digit's gonna go up 1. 95. Good. Madeline, what's 10 less than 85? So the tens digit's gonna go. Well, that's 1 more. That's 10 more. What's 10 less? So the 8 goes down 1. 75. Excellent. Thank you. All right, number 8. Let's do this one together as a class. What number is this? 42. What is 1 more? So if we count up, what number do we have next? 43. So go ahead. 1 more than 42 is 43. It's her birthday today. Tell her I said happy birthday. What's 1 less than 42?
41.
Oh, 41. 4 and 1, 41. What's 10 more than 42? Now the tens place is going to go up, but the ones will stay the same. 52. Ooh, look at that math over there going. And what's 10 less than 42? So the tens place is going 32. Oh, you guys got this. Nice. Circle the picture that shows 10 more than 34. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 3 tens, and 5 ones. Does that show 34? Or 10 more than 34, sorry. No, that shows 35. That shows 1 more than 34, right? So look here. This has an extra 10, so that's 4, 4. Is that 10 more than 34? Yes, so we circle the second picture. Because 34 plus 10 equals 44 cubes, right? Okay, go ahead and get that written down. That's how we figured that out. We had to find 10 more than 34, so we added 10 to it. The tens number moved up. Did you have a question, Aiden?
Yesterday my mom said, and then
how to find 10 more than any number. So what could he tell him? How do you find 10 more than any number? Say your number was 24. How would you add 10 more? How could you explain that to him? Anybody? No? All right, one more time. Say his number was 24. How could you explain to Marlon's friend how to find 10 more? What could you tell him to do? Add what? And you could add 10 more. So you could say 24 plus 10 equals 34. So that's one way, right? You can also tell them that the ones place stays the same, but the tens digit goes up one if you add by 10. See how 24 changed to 34? Count by tens, we count by tens a lot. Okay. Number 11, fill in the missing numbers. Use place value blocks to help you. Okay, so 84. What's one more than 84? 85. Write that here to the right. That says one more. What's one less that's going to come before 84? One less is 80.
83.
3 is one less.
83.
84, 85. Now look, 10 less than 84 is what? Oh, you're doing 10 more. What's 10 less? 74. And what's 10 more then? 94. Now look at this. This kind of looks, if you look for number 84 on our number chart, look. 83 is one less, 85 is one more, 74 is 10 less, and 94 is 10 more. Looks just like our number chart. Okay, number 12. Write and solve a riddle for a number greater than 70 and less than 90. Use one more than, one less than, or 10 more than, and 10 less than as clues. Okay, so say my number is, I'm going to help you with this one. My number is one more than, so write this on your paper, one more than 75. Write that, this is my clue. I know, I'm waiting.
I'm still on more.
I'm gonna see if you can figure out the number. So my clue is, my number is one more than 75. One less than 77. What is my number?
76.
So it's one more than 75, one less than 77. My number is 76. This is just writing in words what we've been doing. Okay, so next year you will be working hard on these things, and you guys have got it. Your brain's working hard. Okay, that's okay. I'm waiting for my friends. Okay, write your number right here. My number is right there. All right. Okay, get that written down. Match each number with its description. So which number is 10 more than 23? 10 more than 23. number 33. 1 less than 19. Think about what number that is.
18.
Havana, raise your hand. Havana. 18. 1 less than 19 is 18. Very good. You were right, Jax. Okay, my next description. 1 more than 37. Raise your hand if you know it. 1 more than 37. Georgia. 38. Okay. 10 less than 13. Aiden, you got 10 less than 13. What number are we looking for?
65.
Oh, we gotta look, listen. We're at 13. And we have 10 less. So what number? 3. And the last one, let's make sure it's correct. 10 more than 55 is what, everybody?
65.
65. All right. Woo, I think you guys earned another bingo game.
Yeah.